I'm Ben. Welcome to Ben at the Bar. We're so excited for this come together event that we have coming. We're going to be making some Prohibition style cocktails. What I love about these cocktails is they're pretty simple cocktails, just a few ingredients. A lot of the Prohibition style cocktails, we're going to focus on gin. You might have heard of bathtub gin. So in the Prohibition days, a lot of the mixing of the gin is pretty harsh. And this was kind of the start of, the makings of what craft cocktails are today, because the gin was so harsh at the time that they would add sweetness and some bitters and syrups and things like that to try to kind of elevate that flavor and frankly make it more palatable. So one of the cocktails we're going to start with is called the BeezKnees. 3 ingredients, really lovely. The other thing I'm so excited about is with gin, Scratch Distillery is going to be working with us on this project, and I'm so excited. They have such great gin. We're going to be using their martini style gin for this particular cocktail, so let's get going with the BeezKnees. So what we're going to start off with, as we like to say, tasting the base. We're going to start off with 2 ounces of the gin. We're using the martini style gin here. So go right into our jigger. Okay, next, just a little bit of lemon juice. So about 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Gonna go right into that. And then last, third ingredient, pretty simple, is a honey syrup. About 1/2 ounce of the honey syrup. Now, the honey syrup, use real clover honey, natural, organic. It's about a 1/2 to 1 ratio. So I used about 1/4 cup of honey with about a 1/2 cup of water. If you want it a little bit sweeter, feel free. But that's, for me, is a really good sweetness for this particular cocktail. I'm gonna add a little bit of twist to this. Love Scratchy's my little sampler. The lavender bitters is so good. Just adds a little bit of flavor on this one. So we're gonna hit that with a couple of shakes of the lavender bitters. All right, now you know what you gotta do. Time to shake that up. So we're gonna shake it up. All right, and now we get our coupe right there. Gonna strain this right into the coupe. Beautiful color. Now I have this wonderful, we have these wonderful flowers. Yeah, you can use a lemon twist as normal, but because these are so beautiful and the bees loving that, there we have it. The BeezKnees, a wonderful cocktail, simple. You will absolutely love it. Cheers.